On this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a cargo website, a tracking website, like a courier website, where item can be sent to people and the individual can come to your website to track their shipping. All right, so this is a shipping website. If you are joining my channel for the first time, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't mix out. All right, so let me walk you around the interface, the front end, then I'll walk you around with the back end, then we'll talk about how we can start building it. All right, so you can see how the user interface look like. Powerful software. You see I'm going to explain the future this website is built with, and I'm going to tell you at the end of this video how you can get this script from me and where you can get it. All right, so you see I'm just trying to walk you around so you can track track shipment. Here you can see enter your tracking code so you can track. You can see here you can connect your social media here, so you can, like, maybe those of you that have clients and you want to use this website for your shipping, you know, tracking or website, like a logistic website. So sending this to your client that you already ship your goods, the client is going to track um, the stuff here and it's going to go. The admin will be the one to generate the tracking number for you, and so if you own this website, you're going to be the admin. So anyone that come on this website to check the tracking number is going to be available based on the description you put on it. All right, so the details, the dates you want them to get the goods, everything. So let me just walk you around. So here, if you click on get start for free, you can try us for free. So here you are going to enter your name. So if a new user wants to do it, so here you can enter your name, enter your email. So you enter a password as well. So you can say the owner ID. So you could just see they just do something like, so you can do this. All right, so let me change the country. So I'll look for my country here. So I'm going to, since I'm in Nigeria right now, we just go here and click on Nigeria, then the branch. So all the country branch are available, right? All the country branch are available. So let me just, okay, let me just pick this. Then I click on agree, click on register. Let's see. Okay, so they want us to add to this name. So I'll just say Simon I. So I'll just say Simoize, then I'll still enter the password again. What is wrong with the phone number? Alright, so I don't know why this is happening, bro. Let me see. Okay, so we are done. So this is the client side. So this is what the user it's going to look like. So you can see the shipping, the transaction report setting, right? Client. All right, so you see whatever things that should be cheap to you, you are going to see them here. So if you want to create a new shipping, you could click here. All right, so if you decide to send something from here, all right, so you see, so let's say if you want to set something from here, the branch is going to be here, the time, drop off for delivering package from branch directly. So you can do a pick off for door to door delivering. So if you select this one, it's going to ask you this. It's going to add the phone number, customer address. You're going to put the customer address. It's not fun, so you create one if you want. Then you're going to create receiver's name, right? See the country, from a country, that is where the goods is coming from, to the country, from the region to the region, from area, all right, to the area, postpaid, payment type, payment method. So you can see order ID and attachment in case you have anything that you want them to upload. So I'm going to fill all this, so I will show you how it generates like a receipt or so. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see this is the admin. So the admin control all this you're seeing. So the admin control all this. So let's go here. So I'm going to create an address here. So in this address now, so they are saying, let's say if I'm sending this to Australia. So I don't know any place in Australia. So let me just let's say if I'm sending it to, okay, let me say if I'm sending it to Nigeria. No, let's do international. So I'm going to send it to United States. So I'll do it here. So here is the area. So I'm going to choose like okay. So let's go for like, so I'm going to select South Carolina. So the area. So I'll just select like before. Then okay, it doesn't show up. So I'll just look for an address. I'll pick this address here. Okay, so this is not coming up yet. I don't know why. Okay, let's trying to change this again back to try to United States again. Let's see. All right, so I just select this again. So I'm coming here to select the region to South Carolina. Then here it's not showing up. So let's click on save. Okay, they insist that all entry must be. So I don't know why this is not coming up, right? So if this is not coming up, and I don't know, this is not coming up. So let me select the date first. Okay, I think we are still cool with that. All right, so the country where the goods is coming from, so you fill it. So once you fill it, you'll be able to generate the receipt, right? So you'll be able to generate the receipt. So create new shipping. If you want to create new shipping, import shipping. You get, so anything, if you want to calculate, you click on here. So all these have all the features you're looking for. So you can create and send this receipt to a customer, right? So if you want to check your dashboard, you check here. You click here to check your dashboard. So everything is going to be here. If you have all shipping, you have saved, you have in progress shipping, you have delivering shipping. So all of them are here. You see, all of them are here. The transaction shows here. You see, so it's a beautiful website. All right, so this is awesome. This is a beautiful website. So if you need this script, make sure you contact me. Contact me on my WhatsApp, and I will give you this script for educational purpose, right? If you're not using it to start your own shipping company and you are not ready to use it as a school project, please stay off my lane. This video is for educational purpose. You to take note of that. I'm just trying to show people how to build it and how it works, right? So this is it. This is how beautiful the website is. So let's go back to the website again. So once you have your tracking number there, once you created your tracking number there, so the user will visit the website. The website is going to look like this. So the user can come here, click on the tracks, then put in the tracking number. Is going to track it. Then they are going to give him all the details concerning the shipping. So if you click on shipping calculator, if you click on the shipping calculator, you enter the location, drop off location. So enter location, drop off location. So for you to know total distance, total time, total price, for you to know the cost, the time, more details about it. That's why this one is here, and this is the home page. Right here is the profile. So a customer does not have much things to do, on the website. It's just all about you coming, the customer is coming to track. And the one thing about this, you can decide to add up a live server. Like what I mean by that is a live chat, so that anytime anybody visit the website and they are not doing it right, you'll be able to put them through by chatting with them live. Yeah, by chatting with them live. So the live button is going to display maybe somewhere down by your right hand corner here, this place you can see my mouse. So we can decide to put that there. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you just watch, you won't miss. So share it to somebody else. So if you like this script and you want a script like this, make sure you contact me, because this script is already built and I'm ready to give it out for a very little rate, like a little rate for those that are ready, very very little rate, to support you guys, support people, teach them, so you guys can use it to learn and use it to start up your shipping business, or for your school project. Just message me at a very cheap rate. I'm going to give it out. All right, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks.